Now, what is the standard form of a polynomial? So, in order to understand the standard form of polynomial, how to write a polynomial in its standard form is so simple of writing the standard form of a polynomial that we have to arrange either in ascending powers or in descending powers of the algebraic terms of the polynomial. That arrangement is known as the standard form. Suppose there is a question that is 50x raised to the power 10 minus 6 by 9 x raised to the power 5 plus 12x cube minus root of 7x raised to the power 13 plus 7. In case this is a polynomial, it is satisfying all the conditions. Now I want to ask you how to arrange, that is how to convert it in the standard form. So standard form is either write the terms in the increasing powers or you write in the decreasing powers. So the highest power is 13, coefficient is minus root 7. So I will write, in order to convert its standard form of above polynomial is minus of root 7 x raised to the power 13, then plus of 50x 10, then after 10 we will write minus 6 by 9 x raised to the power 5 plus 12x cube plus 7. So what? This become what? This become the standard form. Though all terms are here and here same, but their order is rearranged. The terms have been arranged according to their power in the decreasing order. First 13 power, then 10 power, then 5 power, then 3 power, then 0 power. So this kind of arrangement where the terms are arranged not as per their coefficients, as per their powers, that arrangement is known as the standard form of a polynomial. As the polynomials have been classified on the basis of their degree, constant polynomial if degree is 0, linear if degree is 1, quadratic if degree is 2, cubic if degree is 3, biquadratic if degree is 4. Same way there are few names. If there is single term, it is monomial. If there are two terms, it is binomial. If there are three terms, it is trinomial. If there are four terms, it is known as the multinomial. So this is the way of writing or classifying the terms and arranging the terms in their standard form. Now I will explain you what are the zeros of a polynomial, what is the number of zeros polynomial, what is remainder theorem, factor theorem and their applications.